Oh, next, you shouldn't be a bender. Bender? Next, you shouldn't be a jerker. Next, you shouldn't be a massager. Okay, so, mo siya ang don'ts. Mga niyo, ugman, aja maging anak. Sige. So, now let's go on how we would properly perform CPR. So, lugod yung tatanan, pre-hospital care, we are assuming na si patient, mahitabo outside hospital, ara ta sound, iman ta sa bed. If sa bed, pinaog pa siya po na naka sa sound. Okay? Sa hospital, sa bed, or sa ambulance, sa bed, kinaay, ito'y cardiac board. Okay? So here, luhod, hindi pwedeng anak. Luhod yun ang duha ka. Tuhod. Then, interlace, fingers, lock your elbows. So, unlock, lock jud. Right over there. Depende na. Next, we locate the center of the chest. Okay? Next, kabayan si patient, all our tanang musong siya, butang ni patient, asa magkuha. Dili.
Kubuko.
Sa babaw, sa shoulders. Okay? Relax. Next, we perform CPR, bumantagihap. Okay? Okay? Dili na ta mag 1,000. Okay? 1, 2. Ana na. Nagapot sa 20, dili na ta mag 21. Balik ta o 1. Nagapot sa 9 and 1. Kung pilang na cycles na itong lahat. Okay? So, doon ta start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Okay, so I'll give 2 blows. So when it happens in your ventilation, you will be using your mask. Okay, so karon assuming, okay, yan ako'y mask, I will tilt the head of my patient. Always tilt the head to open the airway before you give ventilation. I'll be giving 2 blows. 1, 2. Okay? So, balik na ko perform. Okay, count. 1, 2, 3. Assuming last cycle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Dito kay paspas. 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Okay, assuming that's the last cycle. 1, 2. Okay, kung mag-mouth to mouth mo, by the way, you reach the nose. Still open the area. Okay? So that's it. Assuming 5 cycles of CPR, balik tayo.